Hello everyone, welcome back to Easy Language Routine. Today, we are going to talk about one of the most famous places in the world, the Pyramids of Egypt. Many people visit Egypt every year to see these amazing buildings. But what happens inside the pyramids? Why did people build them? What can we find there today? Let's discover the mystery together. The pyramids are very old. They were built thousands of years ago in ancient Egypt. The most famous pyramids are near Cairo. They are called the Pyramids of Giza. These pyramids are one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world. The ancient Egyptians believed in life after death. They believed that people continued living in another world after they died. Because of this belief, they built pyramids for their kings. These kings were called pharaohs. A pharaoh was the most important person in ancient Egypt. People believed the pharaoh was very powerful. They also believed he was close to the gods. When a pharaoh died, people wanted to protect his body and his treasures. So they built large pyramids. Inside the pyramids, there were many hidden rooms and long passages. Some passages were very narrow and dark. Workers carried large stones to build these secret areas. It was very difficult work. The ancient Egyptians also made mummies. A mummy is a dead body that is carefully preserved. They used special oils and cloth to protect the body. This process took many days. The Egyptians believed the body must stay safe for the afterlife. That is why they placed the mummy inside a special room in the pyramid. This room is called a burial chamber. Many pyramids also contained gold, jewelry, clothes, food, and furniture. The Egyptians believed the pharaoh would need these things in the next life. Some pyramids even had statues and paintings on the walls. Today, many tourists visit the pyramids every day. Some people feel excited when they enter the pyramids. Others feel nervous because the inside is dark and quiet. Imagine walking inside a pyramid. The air feels warm. The walls are made of ancient stone. You walk slowly through a narrow tunnel. Your footsteps make small sounds. Everything feels mysterious. Sometimes, tourists must bend down because the tunnels are very small. It can be difficult to breathe inside because the air is hot. However, many people still want to experience this amazing place. Archaeologists study the pyramids carefully. An archaeologist is a person who studies ancient history. These scientists want to learn more about the lives of ancient Egyptians. Over the years, archaeologists discovered many interesting things inside pyramids. They found ancient writing, tools, and hidden rooms. Some discoveries surprised the whole world. However, many mysteries still remain. How did ancient people move such huge stones? How did they build pyramids without modern machines? Some stones were extremely heavy. Many experts believe thousands of workers helped build the pyramids. The workers used ropes, wood, and simple tools. Building one pyramid probably took many years. Some people think there are still secret rooms inside the pyramids today. Modern scientists now use technology like scanners and robots to explore hidden areas. Every new discovery creates more excitement. The Great Pyramid of Giza is the largest pyramid in Egypt. It was built for Pharaoh Khufu. For many years, it was the tallest building in the world. Inside the Great Pyramid, there are different chambers and passages. One famous room is called the King's Chamber. This room contains a large stone box called a sarcophagus. A sarcophagus is a stone coffin. Ancient Egyptians placed the mummy inside it. The sarcophagus inside the Great Pyramid is very heavy and made of granite stone. Many visitors say the inside of the pyramid feels strange and powerful. Some people feel peaceful there. Others feel afraid. The silence inside can feel very strong. There are also many stories and legends about the pyramids. Some people believe the pyramids contain hidden energy. Others think they hide ancient secrets. Movies and books often show pyramids with traps and curses. For example, some stories say people who enter tombs will have bad luck. However, scientists do not believe these stories are true. Even today, the pyramids continue to surprise people. They are symbols of human history and ancient intelligence. Millions of people dream of visiting them one day. If you visit Egypt, you can walk near the pyramids, ride a camel, and explore ancient history. It is an unforgettable experience. The pyramids teach us many things about the past. They show us how intelligent and creative ancient people were. They also remind us that humans have always wanted to understand life and death. Thank you for listening today. What do you think about the pyramids? Would you like to visit them one day? Write your answer in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to Easy Language Routine for more easy English stories and podcasts.